Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, Deck Restoration Plus. I'm going to show you a little project we're working on here. It's a log cabin. It's a log cabin restoration, but it's a little different. Already has a solid stain on it, so what we've done is we've cleaned it up and turn this around. I'll show you three sides. So we spot primed over here. We've already cleaned it, and so we walk over here, we can see the side. This is the garage side, or the high side, I guess we got. And you can see we have the old color up along the fascia there and the soffits. And we've put a primer over here. What we're doing with a primer is giving it a new base coat over here. It was peeling and wet and so forth. And then as you come around here, you'll see what we're doing is we're kind of putting the finishing touches on this. And you can see it's now a much darker brown. Sorry for the noise with the trucks going by and cars. And you can see everybody over here. Again, it's looks more like a log cabin type color and not that reddish color. So we're kind of giving a little upgrade, and that's what we got going on today at Deck Restoration Plus. So whether it's your cedar siding, your decks, your log cabin, whatever it is, that's what we do. And another example of the type of work and the great team we have here. Thanks.